This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the administrator account and the device unlocked. This prevents accidental lockouts. Next, open Settings or the app drawer and locate the Parental Controls app itself so you work in the right place. Once the app is visible, make a quick backup or capture screenshots of current restrictions and schedules. This preserves choices in case you need to restore them. Make sure to note any linked accounts or PINs because you will need them for the next steps. Now authenticate with the Parental app using the PIN, password, or biometric method. This unlocks edit controls. Once authenticated, go to Profiles or Device Access and review active restrictions such as app limits, web filters, and schedules. Edit each section. Remove blocked apps, disable time limits, and set web filtering to off, or choose the app's master switch to disable all protections. Both approaches work. After changes, save and confirm that the profile shows as inactive. Finish by signing out and restarting the device to ensure system services acknowledge the change. Then verify app access, browsing, and schedules to confirm controls are removed. If something still blocks access, use the app's recovery flow to reset the PIN via the verified email or parental account. This commonly resolves locked settings. As a last resort, uninstall the Parental Controls app, which removes active enforcement. Reinstalling later will restore default restrictions, so keep backups of your original settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.